In this video, we'll show you how to print a part on one of the 3D printers that our help desk is equipped with. Our first step is to open up Cura. This is taking a while, haha. Once it's up and running, we will open up the file that we need to print. Now, in order for us to be able to change the settings of our print job, we have to make sure that our file is in STL format. Now, Cura shows us exactly what our part will look like on our printer bed. Now we will select the all-purpose PLA profile that we put together after some rigorous testing at the help desk with our 3D printers. We can make changes to this profile depending on what we're printing. A part that will be supporting weight will have a higher infill density, while a part that will not be supporting any weight will have an infill density of 10 to 15%. Once we're done with that, we have the option of either saving the part on an SD card or print via USB if the printer is connected to the computer. If we choose to print via USB, Cura will start heating up the extruder in bed, and once the target temperatures are reached, the printer will automatically start printing. If we choose to save our file on an SD card, we'll insert the card into the printer first. After that, we'll preheat the bed to 66 and the extruder to 206 degrees since we're printing a PLA part. To ensure adhesion between the bed and the part, we use hairspray, which does an absolutely amazing job. Now we'll wait for these to reach the target temperatures. Now we really don't want to spray too much, and we also have to spread around the hairspray with a napkin. Since we're close to reaching the target temperatures, we'll go back and press print. Upon this, we'll see a list of parts that are on the SD card, and we'll pick the part that we just saved onto the card. We also have to get rid of any oozing filament before the print has started. Now that the target temperatures are reached, the print job will commence. We have to ensure that the filament is extruding. Since the filament is not extruding, we have to lower the bed. Now we'll just wait for the part to print out.